that powerful. I'll be happy just to hear it going.
Yeah, me too, yeah.
Just do it. I'll be happy just to hear it.
And these people obviously paid extra to go in it. They can go in it, go in.
I think they have done before.
Well, they might actually.
Didn't notice any signs.
It looks like they're going to sit in the
But that's what I'm saying, he's got the gate closed and everything, yeah.
They were at this level. We were looking at them like that when they were flying. Next thing
The ailerons are now ready to be covered, have a new skin fitted. The skin is a soft material, used to be Irish linen, it's now a polyfibre material. It's the only part of the Lancaster which doesn't have an aluminium skin. It will go into a department now for Jack to sort out and get the skin on. This aileron is fitted into the jig and made good. It will not be airworthy. They're just trying to get two ailerons, port and starboard, back onto the Lancaster, as it's been without them for about 3 years now, just to make it a whole aircraft.
These are on, so don't get your head near them.
No, right. Okay, this is the starboard aileron.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you've put the metal strips, other metal strips the other side?
Yeah, they're fitted on the other side. What you do is you put 1.25" tape there, then the metal strips go into those rivet holes, and then you put 2" tape over the top.
Yeah, oh, I see. So you don't put metal strips this side?
Yeah, I will do.
Oh, they'll be going on there.
On the top of that, yeah.
Yeah.
They're there, look, on the table. Like I said, you sandwich them between the tapes.
Between the tapes,
Yeah,
yeah.
1.25" and 2 inch.
Yeah, they fit on top of this tape.
Yeah.
And then you put the 2" tape over the top of that. Heat treat this to stretch it.
Shrink it.
Shrink it, yeah.
Yeah, that's all been done, you see.
Yeah. And is it one piece all the way round?
It is, yeah. Yeah. It's one that goes round over there and back and over the top.
And then...
But,
I don't know whether this is going to work, so we'll certainly keep well out of the way of it.
oh, it'll be alright. There you go.
Oh, it works.
Oh! Yes!
How's that?
Oh! Hey!
You're excited.
Anyway, right, where were we?
Where were you? You was going to show me the circuit
Right.
diagram.
This is the boost coil. The idea is on aircraft startup to give the Magneto just a bit more oomph to get some decent sparks to the plug. So this is a circuit diagram of the machine itself. So it's a bit like the EHT coil on a car, but whereas on a car you've got a pair of points that's operated either mechanically or electrically, here we've got a little trembler circuit, and that's the buzzing you can actually hear Yeah. And that interrupts the voltage across the coil, which induces a higher voltage on the secondary side. In this instance, around about 9 kilovolts, or that's what we're expecting anyway.
Oh, good.
And the reason I've got a spark gap on it is because if we don't have some way of it dissipating or discharging the voltage, it might break down the internally.
Yeah.
So when we switch it on, you can hear the trembler working because that's buzzing away to induce the high voltage and into the neon spark gap there, which is quite nice.
Yeah, well done, Spen.
So I'll ask the obvious question for somebody who knows nothing. What part of the Lancaster is it for then? What part of
It's
The spark plug for the engine.
It's the electromechanical assembly that provides the spark or provides the voltage to the spark plugs for the spark plugs to spark.
Oh, right. So it's got to be in there.
It doesn't have to be in there. It will work
It's
without.
a booster.
But it makes them easier to start.
Yeah.
It is only for starting.
It's only for starting.
Yeah, does it automatically turn off? Oh,
No.
of course, no.
No, it's
You have to switch.
It's a manual switch in the cabin.
Yeah.
The kind of thing that Bradley likes to play with up there.
Yeah.
Is that?
There's a man that's in charge of his own limbs.
I see, yeah.
On there. Actually, holds the fabric down.
Is it?
Yeah. There's one on there.
Yeah.
Just make it out. Goes on there. That holds the fabric down. You fabric cover it, and then you rivet that on, and then put another piece of fabric across the top to take that.
Some of the things look so delicate to be doing.
All of these bits here, and the bits on the lead, you see on the leading edge, all hold the fabric down. And all the ones we've taken off so far, I've taken about 3 off so far, I've all had.
After removing all the formers and the trailing edge, we are left with the main spar and the leading edge of the aileron.